my hair can cause quite the controversy. My content is for women with thin, fine hair, showing you how to style it, how to take care of it, how to make it look its best. But people see my platinum blonde hair and they assume that is the source of all my problems. Let me just say, my hair is not fried. Sometimes in some videos my hair might look dry. That's because I have dry products in it, products that give my hair more volume, and yeah, they suck all the moisture out of my hair and make it appear dry, but I choose to sacrifice the shiny softness for dry volume. I also naturally have wavy hair, so when I just rough dry my hair without any smoothing tools or smoothing products, my hair looks a bit frizzy. But dryness and frizziness are not the same as damage. My hair is very strong, it does not break, it is not brittle. Making your hair platinum blonde, dyeing your hair, heat styling hair does not automatically equal damaged hair. Some people just have this hair type. And I know some people will probably disagree with me. And obviously bleaching your hair is going to cause minimal damage at the very least. Of course, I am aware of that. Chemically coloring or heat styling your hair causes minimal damage, but when you do it properly and you do it in certain circumstances and you use the right products, it's not frying your hair. I can easily get white blonde because I'm naturally blonde. Look how light my natural hair color is. It's a level 7 naturally. I lift it to a level 10. That's only 3 levels. That's not hard to do, and it's not hard on the hair. I don't say this because I feel like I need to defend myself or to convince people that my hair is healthy. I know my hair is healthy, and that's good enough for me. I get so many messages in my inbox every day from women who are saying thank you for being someone out there that is showing that this hair type can just be normal, that this hair type is something that a lot of us are born with, and there's so much coming at us on a daily basis saying that we should do all these things to try and have hair that we just can't have because we weren't born with that hair type. People love to give unsolicited advice to thin, fine-haired women that if they just ate this or used this product or stopped doing this or started doing that they could have different hair, and it makes you feel really bad about yourself sometimes. And really, I'm just here to help you love your hair.